Welcome. Today, we'll explore additional useful tools in layout mode that will help you enhance your workflow and design experience. Let's get started. At the top, you'll find the Scene toolbar, where you can reset your view, focus on a selection, use the Dimension tool to measure and control visibility. You also have options to hide or show truss runs and bearing dimensions, depending on what you need. Moving on to render modes, this feature allows you to customize how your layout looks while you're working. You can hide or show different elements with a simple click, and the scene will update automatically. This also works in the 3D view, making it easier to visualize your project. For example, let's switch to 3D and change the truss envelope to solids. You'll see the trusses changes into a solid profile, offering a clearer perspective of the structure. Navigating in 3D is simple. To rotate the view, just right-click and drag. Panning is done with a left click, and if you want to get detailed information about a specific component, just click on it, and its details will appear in the right sidebar. You can also make changes directly while in 3D view. For example, let's adjust the top height of this bearing envelope. As you can see, it updates in real time, reflecting the changes immediately. You can also select multiple items at once. To multi-select items, hold down Control, and you'll see a window where you can choose which items to select. Holding Control button lets you continue adding more to your selection. After selecting, you'll notice the left and right ends of the items become visible, allowing you to visualize how the item is oriented and which ends are positioned where. Right-clicking on any selection brings up a set of additional tools for further modifications. If a truss envelope doesn't have a linked design yet, it won't display a label. Once the truss envelope is successfully added, you can create or match a design. Selecting this prompts the software to search for an existing component with a matching profile and automatically link to it. If no match is found, a new design will be generated. You can also manually link an existing design if needed. To create a completely unique design, simply click Create New Design, and a fresh design will be created. There are also several tools available here that we cover more extensively in other videos, so make sure to check those out for a deeper insights. Note that you can also perform multi-select and right-click actions while in 3D mode, allowing you to make adjustments and access tools as needed. The Actions toolbar is where you'll find tools for adding items to your layout and downloading necessary files for your project. On the right sidebar, similar to Design mode, you can right-click on any item to access options for adding or modifying them. For instance, if you need to import CAD objects into your layout, simply right-click and select Import Lines from DXF. This will bring the DXF file into your layout and automatically convert it into work lines, making it easier to lay out with precision. Once imported, you can utilize it for any purpose that best supports your layout process. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next videos.